If you are looking for a kids' playhouse, oh my gosh, this is the one for you. This is absolutely amazing. This has 6 foot plus ceilings inside, but it is set up like a kids' playhouse. This is the Lifetime brand, and this thing is seriously next level. I am absolutely loving this one. The inside is so cool. It's got the windows, it's got 2 serving windows, so it's got one on both sides. This is the roof and the ceiling. It's got peaks. Oh my gosh, it's just got so much space and it is so beautifully put together. It's amazing quality. It's got the really cute little window covers. This is just like a little kid's absolute heaven, but it's big enough. You can fit a lot of kids in here and it is so tall. In just a moment, I'm going to show you, I'm about 5'9", and I'm going to show you that I am standing up in this with plenty of room to spare with my head, just to give you an idea of how tall this actually is and how many kiddos this can fit inside of it. I love this because it makes it available for bigger kids, littler kids. Literally, this is perfect. It's amazing quality. They just really thought of every little detail. It's got the really cute little play kitchen area with the 2 serving windows. You would have room for chairs, just all the things. And then this is what I am standing straight up right now. I just want to show you, there's my feet on the ground and I am standing straight up. Like I said, I'm about 5'9", and I have got plenty of space above my head. So you really could fit 6 foot plus in this. Hop on, check it out.